So I'm testing here B40 Mini with Supercaps, capacitors. Okay, I will go and format memory card. Okay, memory card format. So now memory card is formatted. Just gonna switch it off. Okay, everything's fine here. So now it's gonna switch it off. Take a little bit time. Okay. Now power it up. Okay, so it started recording. Alright. And let's play, for example, with this just for record purpose. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's take screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm gonna power off. Okay, take some time to shoot down. Okay, now it's switched off. And let's power it back. Okay. Now it's recording. And I'm gonna stop recording. Go into the playback mode. And select file. It's gonna show me file error first, you will see. So the file I was recording with those, just as a sample. So it shows me picture error, but actually it's not error, it's not corrupted. If I go out, exit the preview mode into the main recording, video recording mode, but then again I go back into the playback mode, and you will see it's going to play. You will see I will be playing with the tools soon. Oh no, that's not that file. It's this one. Just a moment. Few more seconds. So there you are. 4 tabs and 4 with the red screwdriver. With this one. So yeah, it's works fine. Saves the last file. Everything's fine at the moment. So, but I will continue more tests.